Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Real quickly, before we get into it, I just want to ask that if you find this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That gives me direct feedback that these are being helpful to you, and it also helps get YouTube to spread the video further to get the word out about these jobs so that it can be helpful to someone. So if it's not the right fit for you, please hit that like button so YouTube will continue to share with other people so we can find and get this video to the person that is the best fit for this job. My goal with this channel is always to help as many people as possible find their dream work from home job. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Source. This is like a real estate type company. They have 1,800, almost 2,000 reviews on Glassdoor from current and past employees, and out of those reviews, they have a 3.3 out of 5-star rating. Now, of course, the links to all the pages that I share if you want to read the reviews or put that application in are always linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, Source is hiring a credit verification specialist. This is full-time work from home for the United States, but they are looking for somebody to basically help verify credit for those people who are applying for real estate mortgage loans. You'll work the credit verification desk for real estate mortgage loans. You'll help facilitate the onboarding of members into their credit verification programs. You'll coordinate the training with members. You'll act as a Tier 1 customer support, owning and managing the credit verifications help desk queue. So I'm assuming you got to make sure all the credit forms are filled out and that the verifications are done. You'll act as a liaison or a go-between person between operations, sales, and clients. Now, best part about this job is that they don't require any kind of college degree. They say it would be extremely helpful if you have knowledge or experience in loan origination process, but that is not even required. They're looking for someone who can multitask, who can handle confidential information in a professional manner, someone who will be a team player. Now, you will have to work directly with clients or people applying for mortgage loans, so there is going to be some phone work and customer service work with this position. They want somebody who can handle complex situations and projects, and they do want somebody who has either Salesforce, Zendesk, Meridian Link, or credit verification experience. And of course, you have to work well under pressure. Now, if that is you, pay for this position is anywhere from $50,000 a year all the way up to $65,000 a year. Of course, they also offer standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.